How to download old Skype messages and conversations. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and search skype.com. Now tap on the three dots. Now enable the toggle for desktop site. Now zoom little bit, tap on the user and go to my account. Now zoom your screen, tap on export files and chat history. Now click the toggle for conversations and tap on submit request. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.